Today we're gonna do a very quick clean girl makeup. We want the skin to look natural, so I'm just applying some concealer under my eyes and like around the places where I need more coverage. Next we got a bronze and contour with the cream bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have shade Warm Tan and Terracotta. This is Terracotta. I'm just gonna apply the tiniest bit as a contour. This is such a pretty shade. I look very bronze and glowing on this side. I'm just gonna apply some on my nose too and around my lips. And around my eyes as an eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go over with two shades of blush. These are the stick blushes in Nectarine and Bubblegum. I'm applying the peachier shade closer to the temple. And then the pinky one just on my cheeks and nose. And then just blending them together. Then we're gonna fluff the brows with some brow gel. And this is my favorite part in my brow routine. A little bit of highlighter, some mascara, and lip gloss. And that's it. This is my clean girl summer makeup.